Start a Docker container, and it silently joins a network. Which driver is running it? The default network driver in Docker is Bridge. Every Docker installation includes a built-in network also named Bridge. When you start a container without specifying a network, it automatically joins this Bridge network. Run Docker network else and you will see it listed immediately. Always present, always the default. Under the hood, Docker creates a virtual Ethernet bridge called Docker 0 on your host. Each container on this network receives a private IP address within an isolated subnet, typically in the 172.17.0.0 range. Containers on the same bridge network can reach each other over these IP addresses, but remain isolated from containers on other networks. One key limitation: the default bridge does not support DNS resolution, so containers can only find each other by IP, not by name. User-defined bridge networks solve this. When you create a network with Docker Network Create, Docker adds automatic DNS resolution, letting containers reach each other by container name. Beyond bridge, Docker supports other drivers. Host shares the host network stack directly. Overlay links containers across hosts in Swarm. None disables networking entirely, and macvlan assigns MAC addresses for direct LAN access. Bridge is Docker's default network driver, providing isolation and inter-container communication. Always use user-defined bridges when you need automatic DNS resolution. Subscribe for more Docker interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.